Good morning, boys and girls. So for today, for your phonics lesson, you're going to need your whiteboard. So if you do not have it, go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and grab it. Today, we are going to start with a review. And so I want you to, on your whiteboard, write the two-letter slide, the BA slide. On your whiteboard, write the BA slide. And then I want you to pause when you write it. Pause the video, and then we're going to check it. So pause the video, write the BA slide, and here is it to check. BA slide, BA slide. Great job. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to check yourself. And this time we are going to write the FA slide. Write the FA slide. Pause the video and write it. And now check yourself. FA slide. FA slide. Great job. Alright, now we are going to write the DA slide. So you're going to write the DA slide. Pause the video if you need to. Write the DA slide and check it. Da. Write the DA slide. Awesome. And then the last slide that we're going to write is the GA slide. Write the GA slide. Pause your video. And then check it. GA slide. Great job, boys and girls. Awesome. So today's lesson is going to be kind of you're going to do it with me lesson. So if you ever need to pause the video to do what I asked, then pause it and then you can start back up when you're hitting play and doing what I'm doing. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to draw 3 straight lines on the board, just like this. Draw 3 straight lines. And then on the first line, I want you to write the lowercase b. Write a lowercase b. What sound does a lowercase b make? B. That's right. Great job. So then on the second line, I want you to write the letter A. Write the letter A. Now remember, the letter A is a vowel. It is a what? Vowel. That's right. And what sound does the letter A make? Ah. That's right. Great job. Now look at this, and this looks like a slide that I know. What sound does this slide make? Ba. That's right. And remember, if we write a slide, we draw an arrow. So I want you to draw an arrow under just these 2 lines. So because this is a ba slide. So draw your arrow under these 2 lines. Great job. And then in this last line, I want you to write a lowercase g. Write a lowercase g. And what sound does a lowercase g make, boys and girls? G. That's right. Awesome. So when we try to read this word, we're going to sound out the slide and then the G. So we're going to go bag, bag, and slide into it together. Great job. So this, boys and girls, is the word bag. And so when we make words, we are no longer going to have our slide, but we are going to put an X under the vowel. So what I want you to do is erase your slide, just the slide, and then write an X under our vowel, just like this. Awesome job. All right, so when we read the word, we start with the slide and then we add our ending sound. So bag, and then you slide into the G. So bag. So what is this word, boys and girls? Bag. That's right. And so most words have a beginning consonant sound. So looking at your word, what is the beginning consonant sound in bag? B, b. That's right. It's the first sound you hear. Awesome. And then every word has a vowel sound. What is the vowel sound that you hear in the word bag? Ah, ah. That's right. And then most words have an ending consonant sound. What is the ending sound that you hear in the word bag? G, g. That's right. Awesome job, boys and girls. So what is this word? Bag. That's right. And what does bag mean? Does anyone know? A bag is a paper, plastic, or leather sack that you can use to carry things. So like if you ever gone to the grocery store, you might carry your groceries in a bag. Great job. I want you to think and I want you to share with your parents or pause the video and just share it out loud a sentence with the word bag. Awesome job. My sentence is the bag was full of groceries. Great job, boys and girls. So now what I want you to do is I want you to erase your board and we're going to do a new word. Alrighty, here we go. I want you to write the letters F-A-D. F-A-D. Awesome job. Now I want you to mark an X under your vowel. An X under your vowel. Awesome job. What sound does the vowel make? Ah, ah. That's right. So now, remember when we sound out this word, we're going to start at the beginning of the word and then we're going to read it out loud. If you look, you can see a slide in this word. You don't have to mark it as a slide because this is a word, not a slide. That's why the vowel has the X under it. So now we're going to start and we're going to sound out this word. Start at the slide. So you're going to go fad, fad, fad. Great job, boys and girls. So what is the word? Fad. Awesome. So a fad is something that is very popular for just a little bit of time. So a long time ago, wearing colored shoelaces was a fad. Now we wear masks as a fad, or there might be certain type of shoes that you wear that's a fad. There's lots of different fads now, and they change often because it's only for a little bit of time. Great job. So now what I want you to do is this time I'm going to say a slide and then an ending sound, and you're going to write it. And instead of checking ourselves on here, you're going to submit it as an assignment of your words. So you have to watch the video, and then when it gets to dictation part, which is right now, you will write these words on your whiteboard and get your parent to take a picture and submit it below in the assignment so I can see if you are understanding writing our words and the sounds. So we're not going to check it now. I will tell you if it is wrong and how you can correct it later on. So what I want you to write is I do my hands like this, like we did in the live. So we're going to start here. Right. Gas slide, b. Gas slide, b. So you'll write the gas slide and the b. sound. Great job. So gab, gab. And now remember, don't draw your arrow for a slide. Instead, put an X under the vowel. I'm going to say it one more time. Gab. And now write them together. Great job, boys and girls. And so, does anyone know what word that we have on there? Let's sound it out. Start with that slide and then go in. Gab, gab. Great job. Gab, gab. Great job, boys and girls. And so remember, our X is under our vowel. And what is our X under? What vowel? A. That's right. Great job. Awesome job. And so gab, boys and girls, is when you talk a lot, usually about unimportant things. So if you just talk on and on and on about something that's not really important, that is when you gab. Great job. All right, now we're going to do another word. Keep that word on your board as you're going to take a picture at the end of this lesson. This word is dad. Dad. I'm going to say it again. Dad. Dad. And don't forget your X under the vowel. Great job, boys and girls. So let's start at that slide and let's read it. Dad. Dad. Great job. So that word is dad. Awesome job. Now let's do another one. Ready? Keep your board so that you have it. Dab. Dab. Let me do it again. Dab. Dab. Awesome job. Now I want you to write it. Don't forget your X under your vowel. Great job, boys and girls. Now let's sound that out. Start at the slide. Dab. Dab. Great job. So a dab is kind of where you blot something like this, or you dip it just a little bit in water to get it just a little bit wet. Great job. We have one more word. Let's listen. Gag. Gag. Listen again. Gag. Gag. And write it and mark the X under your vowel. Great job, boys and girls. And so let's sound out that blend. Gag. Gag. So when we gag, it means something's kind of in our throat and we don't want it anymore, and it kind of makes us not feel good. Awesome job, boys and girls. And so now, what we're going to do is on a separate assignment, I'm going to have what we have called transfer cards. It's a little card that has different words. And I'm going to have a video under this of how I read the card. And you're going to read it too, just like I do. And you're going to go through and you're going to read it, just like I did. And I'm going to hear you and see if you're understanding and see how things are. But don't forget to post your dictation or the words on your whiteboard under this assignment. There will be an assignment that says dictation and you will write it there. Alrighty guys, I hope you had fun, and don't forget to do your transfer card and to get on Reading Horizons software. I have sent the information on class tag to your parents. I hope to see you on there. Bye!